Okay, so the big picture is we're going to use the reference angles that we learned before, and then we're going to use the blueprints. Okay, with the this is what's given to us here. Okay, example A 330. So I'm going to draw. So 330 lands us. Okay, 330 lands us right here. Okay, this is 330. Okay, so this is in the fourth quadrant, so we're going to draw a fourth quadrant triangle here. All right, so here we go. Here's a triangle we're going to draw. All right, with the, I might as well make that red also. Okay, 330, and I'm going to put a green dot right here. Okay, so let's solve for that green dot. Okay, by the way, this is going to be 90 degrees here. Okay. All right, just like these were always 90 degrees here. Okay, now let's solve for that green dot. Okay, we're going to use the reference angles. Okay. All right, let me type in right here reference angles. Reference angles. Okay, let me put an outline on that. Whoops. Okay. Now, remember, our template that we always use is going to be absolute value, 2 parentheses like that. And remember, this, so I'm going to put 330 here. Okay, you could put it anywhere. All right. And then remember, the numbers that go here, it's either going to be 0, 180, or 360. It's never going to be 90 or 270. Okay, so ask yourself, does 330 come closer to 0, 180, or 360? Okay, does it come closer to 0, 180, or 360? The answer is 360. Okay, and then 330 minus 360, it is negative 30, and this becomes positive 30. Okay, that becomes positive 30. Okay, make this a little bigger. Now, so this becomes, this is 30. Okay, let's see if I can squeeze it inside the triangle. Okay, this equals to 30. So if this is 30, that's 90. That must mean that this right here is 60. Okay, so we solve for this green 30. That means this must be 60 because that's 90. So we're going to be using our 30, 60, 90 blueprint. Okay, we're going to be using our 30, 60, 90 blueprint. All right. So I'm going to call this X because it's going left, right. I'm going to call this side Y. Okay, and R is always going to be, for these problems, R is always going to be 1. Okay. All right, R is always going to be 1 for these problems no matter what. Okay? All right, so that's the hardest part actually. Okay, everything else from here on out is review. Okay, so watch this. X, I'm going to do it in blue. X is across from the 60. Okay, so we're going to link it up with root 3. 1 is across from the 90, so I'm going to link it up with 2. Okay, so here we go. X over root 3 equals to 1 over 2. Okay, so review, nothing new there. Okay, let's go with, I'm running out of colors here. Let's go with orange. Okay, now y is across from the 30. Y is across from the green 30. And so y links up with the 1. Okay, because 1 is also across from the 30 here. Okay, and we're going to reuse this. 1 links up with the 2. Okay, so I'm going to go y over 1 equals to 1 over 2. Okay, and I'm going to cross multiply, and solve. This is all, what you see here on the bottom left ain't nothing new. Okay, x times 2 equals to root 3. Y times 2 equals to 1. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and I get x equals to root 3 over 2. Y equals to 1 over 2. Okay? 1 second. I'm going to make it like this. So find the x and y values. I'm going to make this problem more simple. Find the x and y values of each angle. So we're done basically. Okay, find the x and y values of each angle. Okay, that's it. Okay, so your answers are in green right here. Okay, and remember r is always going to equal to 1. Done. Okay.